Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to share Instagram story to a Facebook story. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. First of all, what you have to do is simply go to the Instagram app. At first, now at the bottom right corner you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now at the top right corner you can see a three line. Simply tap on the three line and tap on the first option, that is called settings. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the privacy option, that is the third option. Now what you have to do is scroll down and find the option that is called story, that is on the interactions section. Tap on story, scroll down, and in the sharing section there is also called allow others to share your story. Simply keep it on, and every time you put the story on Instagram will be shared to your Facebook story automatically. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in, and until then, goodbye.